Welcome back to my channel Zoology at 180. Let's start the videos on this musculoskeletal system from NCERT 11th class. Today's topic is structure of skeletal muscle. You know that we have three types of muscle: the skeletal muscle, the smooth muscle, and the cardiac muscle. The skeletal muscle is the one which helps in the locomotion and movement. In this video, we'll see the details of the structure of skeletal muscle. The muscle is made up of many muscle cells which are elongated, and these muscle cells are called as muscle fibers. Many muscle fibers combine to form the muscle bundles called as the fascicles. Each fascicle is lined by a connective tissue sheath covering called as fascia. As you can see in the diagrams, each bundle is covered by the fascia. The term used for the skeletal muscle is called as sarco. So the muscle cell or muscle fiber is called as sarcocyte. It is syncytium found by the fusion of many cells, thus contains many nuclei. Coming to the structure of the muscle cell, it is lined by sarcolemma and filled with sarcoplasm. There are many nuclei in the muscle cell. All the cell organelles are present, and the parallel stacks of cisternae in the endoplasmic are called as sarcoplasmic reticulum. This is a storehouse for the calcium ions, which mainly helps in contraction of the muscle. Besides this, there are parallelly arranged proteins called as the myofibrils. Let's see the details of these myofibrils. The myofibrils contains two types of proteins. The thin protein called as actin and the thick protein is called as myosin. The actin forms the light band or the I band, and the myosin forms the dark or the A band. These two light and dark bands are arranged alternately, which gives the appearance of striations to the skeletal muscle. As you can see in the diagram, the thick filaments are myosin, and on the sides you can see the thin filament actin and the part overlapping on the myosin at the sides. So dark band and light band A and I alternate with each other. At the center of the I band, there is an elastic fiber, a zigzag line called as the Z line. Similarly, at the center of the A band, there is a fibrous sheath called as M line. The part of the A band which does not contain the overlapping of actin is called as the H zone, which is at the center of A band. The part of the myofibril present between two successive Z lines is called as the sarcomere, and sarcomere is the functional unit for the contraction of muscle. Continue for the structure of the contractile proteins in part 2.